truly it was around customer experience, right? This is not, we provide a lot of different services to our customers, job site services, efficiencies across the board through the supply chain. This was one that we saw as a back office, right? Customers should never have to see it. um, it was really enabling technology that would streamline their experience without ever knowing about it. So initially, when we started, it was customers didn't have the capability. They wanted to um, to have quicker turnaround time, more accuracy. So that's why we started. But then we saw it as just an enhancement to their overall experience with Graybar. Being able to use some of the tools that we had to be able to provide quotes more timely, loading those, filling orders that didn't have any reasons to be touched. So initially, Connexium actually came to us and said, we can look at all your inbound emails and see which ones have PO in the header, look at the format that was sent in, and they helped us identify our top 500 customers, right? So those were our target list. And we moved very quickly on those top 500 that were a good use case for Connexium. Since then, we have built some internal tools as far as reporting as to how those orders are being placed. If they're being placed through email, if they're being placed by phone, if they're coming in through our website or punch out. So we have identified the ordering mechanism on inbound. SAP holds that data for us, and we can pull reports out of SAP to see those customers that are good fits for this type of service, and then we reach out to the field to talk through the customer situation. If the POs that they're sending in are valid and repeatable, we map them and we get those customers loaded into Connexium so that we can service that customer more effectively. I don't think the labor force is going to get better. So with that, I think we continue to look, we continue to use a continuous improvement mindset, right? To look at the areas, look at the jobs that our employees are doing, and being able to take any kind of redundancy work and improve any processes necessary to make us more effective and efficient and provide better service. As we experience more and more of our workforce, I mean, Graybar is employee owned, right? And we have a lot of our employees that will stay here 30, 35 years. So when you lose that expertise and the workforce the way it was, and then the way it's been trending over the last 5 years, right? We need to take out the most that we can of unnecessary work so that we can drive our employees to provide the customer experience that we're used to, that our customers are used to. We look at automation as much as possible, because otherwise that's where your errors occur. That's where people can make mistakes. And every mistake doesn't just cost Graybar, it costs our customers, right? If it's something that they're seeing, it costs them money if we don't do it right the first time. Anybody that's out there, as far as new employees that you're going to hire, if you as a company do not embed technology into their jobs, you're not going to keep them. New employees are jumping companies for 50 cents an hour or whatever. If you make them do those manual tests or tasks, and they see their job as not being strategic or important, or that they don't have advancement, you're not going to keep the talent. So we see it as a benefit just to attract new talent going forward. They don't have to do something that they don't see a value, that they're just taking data from one spot and moving it to another. They can be trained to provide customer service and engage with the people that are growing our business. I believe some of our employees still don't like it, right? They still are afraid of it. And we have a bunch of employees. But the ones that are, breaking the records and are have the biggest success and are our CSR award winners, right? They tout the technology that they have that helps them do their jobs more efficiently.